I think hope you everyone knows about Power BI, or someone is some referrals, someone you have seen my YouTube channel and you have joined. Correct? So please type yes. I have opened the chat box. So if there anything, I'm asking like whether I am able to watch, I am able to see screen like that. I'm asking any questions. So please type yes or no. Okay. So that is helpful to interact this 1 hour session. So please concentrate your time. Okay, so because of when you concentrate the time, you utilize the time. So the most 50% of the subject you when you listen, so after that you may practice. Okay, so that is the first thing. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I will sharing my screen. Okay, yeah. Please say yes. Everyone able to my screen? Can anyone say yes? Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Awesome. Yeah. Hope you are going to next step. So in your future. So in your as of now, then what you have learned or what you have done. So you remember, so from this day, so today, from today onwards you may change your career, so because of you choose the Power BI. Okay, so I am requesting you, so in this session, so what we are going to learn. Okay, first, what is the Power BI and what are the core components in Power BI, and what are the different types of products we have, and what are the prerequisites for that, that is the most important. What are the prerequisites? Okay, and what are the how many days we are going to take the class, and then how to discussions and going on, so how to prepare the resumes, and how to attend the interviews, so from start level, and the technical part also we are covering after this session, the same ending end of the session, then we will going to see one project work. Okay, so how to get the data, and how to prepare the report, and how to develop the report, and how to publish the Power BI service, so these we will cover. Okay, yeah, now I am opening the my screen. Okay, I think able to see my screen. Please type S. Yeah, once again, welcome back, Srikrishna Soft Skills. Okay, yeah. Can anyone any idea about Power BI? Already you know, or some friends are working in some industry, some company. So before going to that, then just I know the how many members are know the Power BI. Other unmute or tell, otherwise just you comment on the chat box. I will give you 1 minute. So either yes or no. If you yes, please type yes. If you no, no N. Just you say one word, yes or no. Yes. Most of the people's yes. Yeah. I hope you watch my videos or some any other videos. Already you know my idea about what is a Power BI. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for your supporting, and then awesome. Yeah, I'm getting most of the response. Yes. Yeah, okay. So the most of the people's think, so Power BI how it will work, and then the next question is, I think yeah. So this is the time to taking the time for admitting. So because of I don't know the whether which mail ID you are using, so that is the reason. Then I will come back to this screen, and I will go to the Power BI screen. Okay, so that is the reason. So sorry for the interruption. Yeah, okay. So this is our screen. So most of the peoples, so what is the eligible criteria to join this course? So most of the people are think, yeah, actually I have a graduation like BA, BCom or the post graduation, and then I have completed my BTech, and I have completed my BA. So do I am eligible or not? So this is most of the peoples are filled with your minds, not only you, most of the peoples, because of I have no. So that is the first thing, is the training mode is online, so nobody will come to here or then any. So earlier we used to go like Amirpet, some other SR Nagar, some other, then we will go stay there, and then we will spend more times for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and we will expend the time. So this is only for online training, and the who are the eligible and the qualification. So any degree, any graduation, not only BA, BCom, BSc, computers, BTech, anyone, okay, and any year passed out. So you might have the, okay, I have passed out 2015, I have passed out to like 2016. I have passed out 2014. So don't worry about it. So any passed out year, okay, and easy to learn. This course is easy to learn without you have no knowledge on computer coding or program language. Okay, and here there is no coding. Okay, we do not remember any coding. And the next thing is, who people are non IT. So for example, who are working like some other domains or some other like sales and the marketing, this is a very good platform to IT. We are switching into your IT career. Okay, so this is about the education. Second is timings, course timings, every day morning 7 to 8 a.m. Okay, it is online, so you have a laptop or any desktop. So actually it will fix after the class, the Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, this will leave for you. Okay, most of the peoples we will take the decisions. Okay, the duration is almost 45, then we will cover the 30 to 35 days. If there any leaves or if there any something will come, then we will extend to the 45 days. Mostly we will cover 30 to 35 days. Okay, yeah, for more details, so please contact me. If anybody anything, any your friends or any your colleagues will be attend the demo or some other classes, then we will have the one more to tomorrow, day after tomorrow we have a time, then please contact this number and you give me my number. Okay, this is about the duration and the course. Yeah, now what is the agenda for today, why we came here, why we meet here. So everyone, I think everyone, you are seeing like enthusiasm. So what the Power BI already you know, okay, how it will work, so when we'll get the job and what are the opportunities. Okay, like those, these type of questions filled with your mind, correct? Yeah, so then I will clear all your doubts. Okay, the Q&A session also there, so if you have any doubts, please make note. Okay, please make note. And this is the disturbance coming, so you might observe also. Yeah, so the agenda is to Power BI demo. So in the demo already I told you who is this Power BI training for. So hope you all are understanding my language. And is there anything difficult to, shall I explain Telugu also? No, no issue. So before that I will ask you the question. So is it okay for English everyone? Otherwise then anybody is there like Telugu peoples are because of I'm not going to high level, so then your understanding level I'm going to teach you. Okay, is it okay for?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Navin. Carry
Yeah,
on.
yeah, okay, 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 thank you. Okay, yeah, so if there are any doubts, you ask me personal also, don't worry. Yeah, now we will have into the second one is who are eligible for this course. Already I told you. Third one is what is Power BI, that is a technical topic, and why the reporting required. Fourth one is what is the visual actually. So every time we are discussing the visuals, the report. Okay, what is those actually, and what are the components in Power BI actually. So in every topic, like in every software having some components, some steps. Okay, what are those? And seventh one is why we choose Power BI. We have a lot of courses there in market. why we choose this one. Okay, yeah, eighth one is Power BI, how it will work. Then just we will see one simple demo, and we will see the some project works. Okay, and finally we have a Q&A sessions. We will give you the answers for your questions. Yeah. Now, first point. So Power BI training for who? So the this Power BI training is for the complete beginner who don't have the knowledge and software field, or who don't have the knowledge and some other domains. Okay, completely you are beginner. I am new to software course, and you do not need any previous experience with a Power BI or any other course. So to attend this training. Okay, hope you clear. Shall I move next? Yeah, I'm moving. Second point. Who are eligible for this course? Already I told you, but briefly I am explaining here. So people who haven't knowledge on the software development, and who wants to non-IT people to the IT people. Okay, the peoples don't have the knowledge and the software development. So how we will work then from scratch level to end level, to end. So the all the transformations, what are those involved in the transformation, then I will explain you. Who are looking for a non new career. Okay, as of now the my career is some other thing, my career is some other thing. Okay, but I am going to switch into IT. I am going to switch into software industry. Those people. Okay. Yeah. 1 second, people. 1 second. Hello. 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 Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Third point is you are switching your career into IT. Okay. Most of the people are fear to come to IT. So actually, IT people are doing like that. IT people are like don't have the very good knowledge. They are intelligent. Like don't think. So you are switching into your career into IT. That is only the aim is to I want to switch into IT. That is your goal. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Next point, who you doesn't matter. You are in a pharma industry, or already you are working some industry like marketing, either HR or sales and business professionals. Okay, that is doesn't matter. And you doesn't know about the software, even the gap. Okay, some people are thinking I have a gap between like 5 years gap, I have a 6 years gap, I have a 7 years gap, like that those people. Okay, so that is doesn't matter. And we don't just train you, we change your career. Okay, so please keep this mind. We don't just train you, we change your career. Okay. Yeah, the next point. So most of the people, so this is the why we are getting yeah. So now coming to the second point is we have done. Okay, the second point. So who are eligible for the next point is what is the Power BI. Okay, before Power BI we have most of the peoples are thinking like MSBI is there, and Power BI, so and full stack courses software. So then which one I want to choose? Okay, then we will clear this one first. So the MSBI is the having SSIS and SSAS and SSRS. Okay, yeah, SSIS equal in Power BI, that is a Power Core editor. Okay, SSIS is a Power Query editor in a Power BI, and SSIS in MSBI is equal to the Power Pivot, that is the modeling in a Power BI, and SSRS in the MSBI. Coming to the Power BI, this is the Power View, that is a visualization. So then we will see what is those the Power Query what will do, and Power Pivot what will do, and Power View what it will do. The okay, yeah. Before that, what is the Power BI? Okay, I will ask you a question. What is the Power BI? Can anyone know? Please Unmute and tell me what is the Power BI. Like what your
What
opinion?
we are
Yeah,
yeah,
tell me, Malesh.
tell me, Malesh. Reporting and visual.
Yes, correct.
Yes, correct.
Anyone?
Anyone? It is reporting and data visualization too.
Yeah, correct. Any more?
And it is cap.
Okay, okay, yeah, correct. Okay, yeah. So because of at least you know the what is the Power BI, what it will do. Okay, yeah. So I will let you. Don't worry. Power BI is a reporting visual tool from Microsoft. This will you will understand. This will you will underline. This is from Microsoft. Okay, because of already you know the Microsoft is a one of the best toppest IT, and then it is provided by the lot of employment, and Microsoft is the very topmost company in world, not India. Okay, so this tool from Microsoft, and it is a different engine with the X velocity that is the reason given the name is a power, that is the power of power. Okay, that is the power of Power BI. Okay, hope you understand now what is the Power BI. Power BI is the reporting visual from Microsoft. It is a different engine with X velocity, that is the reason given the name is the Power BI. Okay, so what is the reporting? Okay, this is good. The reporting tool. Okay, why the reporting required and what is the visual? Okay, for example, I will let you a little bit later. So to make a user understand what happening in the part of business, it is a summarized way. For example, the Amazon, you will take the Amazon or the Flipkart, the CEO, just you they know the what is the sales going happening. It will see one visual and then they will take a decision where where the sales are happening high, where the sales are happening low. The simple thing in the summarized way. Okay, the sales, for example, like iMobiles sold like highest, or Apple Mobile sold highest, or the laptops are sold highest, like that. That is the summarized way. Okay, yeah. And based on the Power BI report, the user makes the business decision. Okay, is main aim or main goal to take the decision. Any of the company or anyone, for example, after your completion of BTech or like BSc, then you will take the decision where you have to go, which one you want to choose based on the report. For example, you have a lot of courses, a lot of companies, which one you want to choose? That is the way. Okay, this is used to summarized way. Okay, what is the Power BI? What is the visual? Okay, you told me the okay report and then is the visual. Actually, what is the visual? Okay, just wait, within this next slide I will show you. Okay, the visual, what is the visual? Okay, yeah, visualizer known as charts. Already you know the pie chart, donut chart, like clustered column chart, and clustered bar chart, 100% stacked chart, and donut chart, and funnel chart, and tree map chart, and then like those charts, tables and slices, these type of charts. Okay, that is a picture representation of your data. So what is your data? Okay, how much sales, how much like quantity, how much employees are working, what are the my sales topic, those. Okay, yeah. Now we see the next one. Visual. So this is the Power BI. Okay, now you see this is the one of the visual example. I will show you the practical also. So this is the visual is the stacked bar chart. Here you see the total units by category. Second one, this is the second one is the funnel chart. It will filter something. So it's the lead 268 and then finalize this is the 14. When you see this visual, immediately you can take the decision. This is the pie chart. Okay, this is the maps. Okay, where is the India, how much sales? For example, you just a single click you will see. Okay, this is about the some visuals. Okay, this is the Power BI visualization. Okay, next we will see the it is a like dashboard. Okay, after you creation of the report, then you might you see when here the one man is clicking here, you observe here when you clicking here it should be changing. I think you went to like stock exchange suchi and something, railway, it is going on. Okay, the next train will coming on, so on, so it is online. And stock exchange, okay, this is a Nifty like Wipro, it is a like it is down. it is a Amazon, it is a like going up. So that is a online streaming. Okay, the dashboard is interactive. Whenever you clicking this like Alena Gunda, this is the sales. Whenever you go to the brand Satana, this is the report. Okay, this is online, it is a interactive with each visual. So this is the dashboard. You may go to create this type of dashboards. How you create, then we will see. Okay, yeah, this is about the dashboard. Yeah. Next one is, okay, what are the components in Power BI? Okay, what are the components of Power BI? Then we will see. Like this is the Power Query. This is the important Power Query and Power Pivot and Power View. And fourth one is the Power BI Service. Okay, then we will see the components in our uh, already I have shared you in the group. Okay, what is the brochure? In the brochure we have a like components. This is the like power pivot. What is the power pivot? What is the power query? What is the report service? Okay, all those I shared you in the group. After this class you may see, then I will show you now. This is the power query. In the power query, what we are going to learn? So this is the power query, how to get the data, and power query editor, navigator, and home tab transformation. What are the transformation you need to do? And transform tab. Okay, ribbons like add column and the text and date functions, and then conditional column, like those. These are the syllabuses technical, you may understand after the attend the class. This is only brief introduction. Okay, this is the power query. And power pivot, what are the modeling? What is the fact table? What is the dimension table? Okay, how many types of relationships? And what is the many to many relationship? What is the coordinates? Okay, like this is the about talking about the data warehousing concept. Okay, this is about the power view. In the power view, then we are going to learn like the topics. What is the DAX? Okay, in the DAX, this is the main topic. What is the time intelligent functions? What is the filter functions? What are the relationship functions? What is the date and time functions? What is the logical operator? Okay, what is the aggregation function? Those then you may learn. These are in the part of power view. Okay, and in the power view, the second is power BI visualization. Just now I have spoken to you, that is power BI chart, like column chart and table visual and matrix visual and line visual. Okay, or area chart, stacked chart, pie chart, donut chart, waterfall chart, funnel chart. Okay, these are the names, technical naming conversation. Okay, yeah, this next topic, next one is like Power BI service. Okay, the Power BI service, the Power BI service is the very very important in accepts of your interview or your real time. Okay, so this in the Power BI service, then we have to learn these topics. Okay, what is the creation of workspace, and what is the creation of app? What is the report? What is the dashboard? Just now we have seen the live dashboard, and sharing the report collaboration with roles and Power BI service and different types of views. Okay, the schedule the data set by using the gateways and the quick insight. So this is about the what is the component in the Power BI. So these are the four types of components. Then we will discuss each and every component and each and every transformations. Okay. You clear in the brochure, just you open the brochure and what are the topics we will cover. Okay. Yeah. That is about the what are the components in Power BI. The next point is, okay, you most of the peoples are these questions, many doubts. So why we choose the Power BI? We have a lot of tools in the market. Okay, I think everyone have the mind, this is the question. Okay, then I will release the answer for this. Okay, for choosing this Power BI, the first one is, it is a going to the Google trending. For example, anything, for example, we are going to the elections, then we will see the some reports like India, MT, sorry, G Telugu, some other TVs, Sakshi, some other CNN channel. So they will give you who is the prime minister. They will give you based on that. Then even though even US, America, we have a Trump elections. Those elections, before they will take the survey. Okay, that survey, then they will go to who will winning. So like that in the Google trending, in every topic, then we have a trending. Okay, then as per the Google trending, then I will show you, this is the Google trending. I will we have a before different types of tools: Power BI, Click View, and Tableau. Okay, and this Power BI strategy and some other Google strategy is there. So number of tools is there. You see, this is the Microsoft and Salesforce, the Tableau and Google, and then Microsoft Micro Strategy, and like Zoho, and this is the SAS, IBM, and Oracle. These are the many tools is there in the market. Okay, now I'm comparing one Power BI to the Click View. So this is the one of the reporting tool. You may see here. You observe this is the 2021 December 21. This is the April 20. Wherever you see, so this is the blue color is for the Power BI. You see, this is the blue color indicates for the Power BI. Correct? When you choose this one, this is the blue color indicates the Power BI. This is the red color indicates the Click View. Here, see, when you observe here, then in wherever you see the from 2021 January to April 2022, highest cases in the Power BI only. Last 12 months, then we have. I am not showing in my company. Then I am going to the Google. After this class, also you may go through Google. So Power BI varies. So Power BI is the challenger position in any time since 12 months. Before 12 months, also Power BI is the number one. Okay, this is the one way you choose the Power BI. Second one is the maximum 250 visuals and then 2500 functions. Okay, to compare other reporting tool like Tableau and ClickView. Okay, you have a doubt. Okay, why we will learn to 2500 functions? No, but I am explaining you, we have a this type of functions. So we may not be learn these all those, just we have to learn what we have sufficient to work. Okay, you don't fear, oh we have a lot of functions, why? So this is explanation to join this Power BI, to learn the Power BI. Okay, this is the one of the future. Because of when you choose the Tableau, when you choose the Click View, there is no dashboards is there, there is no like filter something. We have the different types of filters, easy to slice and dice the user client. Okay, ultimate goal is to, what is our ultimate goal? So we will work on the client, we will give the satisfaction to the client. Okay, yeah. The third point is the cost of Power BI. You choose, for example, if you choose in our internet like 1000 rupees or 600 rupees for 40 mbps speed for one month, correct? That is for internet. You may working or you use the mobile. Coming to the this service, this is the Power BI tool per month per user $9.95. That is the pro users, almost 750 rupees equal to your internet charge. So all the middle, all the lower companies, all the small scale industry or medium industries will convert into the Power BI, because of there is no coding here, only drag and drop. And also, for example, data we have like data is in a tables and data is in a like unstructured data. And how you see there, this is the Amazon is a structured data, it is a not structured data. Only the tables, employees are employee companies, like they are following the tables. The data may be like structured data and unstructured data and semi structured data. But most of the 70% of data in the world, 70% data is unstructured data, unclean data. Okay, but wherever the data, for example you maintain the Excel file, for example you may maintain the CSV file, for example you maintain the Word file, you maintain the PDF, you maintain the Facebook, you maintain the Click View, sorry, Twitter, anything. So then the connectivity modes plus 99 connectivity modes and all databases like web and all source, which is even Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, and even PDF files also we will connect with the Power BI. Okay, understand guys? Yeah, hope you understand. So these many types of, we have options to work with this Power BI. That is the reason why most of the semi and middle class like low class companies also they are converting into the Power BI. And if already they are using Tableau, Click View, they are migrating their data into Power BI. Guys, understand? So they are migrated to Power BI. When they will migrate to Power BI, definitely they should have the requirement of the Power BI. Okay, yeah, this type. The next one is the Gartner company report. Okay, the Gartner company used to report some of the Power BI tools, like other reporting tools. You see, this is the Gartner report. Okay, just here opening, I am don't showing already open, but I will show you in front of you. Okay, this is, I will open the Google. Okay, now you see this is the, okay, I closed this one already. Yeah, now when you see this one, when you this chart, you understand this is the challenger position. Okay, and this is the what, leader position. Okay, the Microsoft is the leader in the market, the first one. Okay, when you compare to these all the all the tools, it is not at all the, it is like don't touch with the Microsoft, even like challenger position also not there. So that is the reason why you choose the Microsoft. You see, like Joho, IBM, like SAS, okay, like ClickView, like something Incota, like Joho. These are, it's not at all touch with the Microsoft. Okay, this is in the leader position. No one will touch the Power BI. Okay, and next thing is the Power BI comes in the market in the 2015 around. So it is still 7 years baby. It's like 7 years child. It have, you trust me, you believe me. I will assure you, next coming 10 years, the Power BI nobody will touch you with your some other learning courses. Okay, this is the why you choose. So this is the five features. Many have lot of features is there, but I taking this only the five important features to choose the Power BI. Okay, now clear? Please, if you clear why we choose the Power BI, please type yes or unmute and say yes. Anything is okay.
Unmute and say yes. Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah, please interact the session. So because of when you interact, then only I will go like enthusiasm. Because of when we are interacting this session 1 hour, you 100% concentrate this. Okay, yeah, thank you. Awesome. Just I'm asking yes, why or no. If you know, then I will explain you again. If you yes, okay, then I'll go forward. Okay, yeah, so this is why we choose. Next one is, eighth point is Power BI, how it will work. Okay, I told you. So these are the components in Power BI, like Power BI, Power Pivot, and source data and modeling part, like that is a Power Pivot, and then Power View, that is a DAX and visualization, and Power BI service. These are the four components where we get the data first. Okay, you see that. You see, this is the source data. Please go mute. Okay, either the source file is a file, either DB, either Azure, either online, either any other file. Okay, these are the source data. Okay, from the source data, this is the Power BI desktop you may connect with. Okay, so this is the Power BI desktop. In the Power BI desktop, we have a three options, like Power Query and Power Pivot and Power View. Okay, yeah, so here you have developed, you have cleaned the data by using Power Query, and you have created the model, like one table to another table visualization. From the, you create some report here, Power View. Okay, there you service, you, this is the Power BI service. From here to there, you, when you publish to this service, what are the reports which you have prepared, and you transfer this data into the Power BI service. Here you have observed some gap. So why I have left the gap, then you will understand just a little bit later. Okay, here from Power BI service to the end user, who are the client, like user 1, user 2, user 3, these are the clients. Okay, they maybe see the data. For example, your client, your user may there at US, your user may at London. How can we see these reports? You are preparing in your laptop, but how can you see the reports? When you publish into the Power BI service, this is the cloud, this is the online. Okay, this is the cloud service. Okay, Power BI is the cloud platform. So they, you will collaborate with your users and your company, some other manager, like that. when you share the report into Power BI service, then only then they will see. Okay. Yeah, between these two, Power BI desktop and the Power BI service, I have left the gap. Why we use the gap? That is the gateway. Why we require the gateway and what are the types of gateways? Just right away I am discussing just briefly, then I will you explaining in detail in the class. Yeah, this is the gateway. Okay, you see, from Power BI desktop to Power BI service, the gateway required when required, if it is a offline sources, if it is a database, for example your data there in your local machine, your laptop, how can you transfer the data? For example, if you giving the data into the Power BI service, there you want to some gateways. Okay, for example, you are in a online streaming, that time you do not require any gateways. When you are the offline sources, that is the on demand sources, then that time like the SQL is the on demand service. Okay, so that is the offline sources, so that time you may require the gateways. Okay, this is the topic, the gateways, what are the gateways and everything, then we will learn about the after the in the class. Okay, because of you may not be understand why we require the gateway. So this is a simple example. When you are files, when you connect with the Excel, when you connect with the DBs, when you connect with the like some other folders, that time you may require to share the reports to your end user, the gateways you require. Okay, this is how high level the Power BI, how it will work. So this is the source, this is the Power BI, this is the gateway, this is the service. Okay, the files, what are the data type is there, and what you have to do, what are the cleaning, what are the Power Pivot, all those then we will see with a single example. Okay, here you see the two types of gateways. One is a personal gateway, second is a on demand gateway. Okay, what those then we will see in the little bit later. Yeah, now we are going to see the some simple project. Okay, the simple project, when I click and open in this project, you see I'll open the my next screen. Okay, today is going to now mobile Amazon project. Hope you clear components of Power BI, guys, friends. Are you clear the Power BI? So what are the components and then how it will work? Okay, okay. Yes, clear. If you type C, clear. Either if you type yes, Y is enough. Okay, awesome. Very good. Clear. Yeah. Now, just we have seen the like theory part. So now we are going to move the practical. How it will work. The what is the source and how it will convert the data into your meaningful insight. How to prepare the report. Okay. Are you eager to see? Yes, we will go. Now you see, this is the first project is like Amazon project. So Amazon mobile project, for example, I will let you this after this one. That is a web source. Here you mention, I mentioned the web as a source. Just now I have explained you different types of sources. We connect to 199 plus sources, either web, either folder, either databases, either Azure analysis, either Databricks, whatever. Okay. Second one is append. For example, if you append files, the project, so folder as a source, that is. Third one is a how to calculate age in 3 click buttons, is a Excel force. Okay, these are the three types of projects, then we will see quickly. Okay, then I will go the first one. You see, Amazon mobile project. How you convert raw data into the meaningful insight like a visual in a easy way. Okay, the web as a source, it is a unstructured data, and data it is a meaningful insight. Example is the Amazon mobile analysis. You see, this is the my data. Okay, then I will show you the in the net also same. This is the mobile. Then you go to the mobile as like Google, and you enter the Amazon mobiles, and this is the data. This data I will convert into this type Power BI visual. So you see, when you click here, this is the Redmi is the highest cost. This is the lowest cost is the Redmi 10A. Highest cost is the Redmi 9A. How much easy, guys? Before going to the this project, then I will ask you one question. For example, you are decided to buy a one mobile. You are going to, for example, first. any some big C, some other company. So your budget is only 20,000. Okay, which mobile you want to choose? For example, you go Big Bazaar and they will show you, sir, this is the 60,000, this is the 50,000, this is the 60, this is the 70, this is the 30, this is the 10, this is the 5. So they will show you 15 to 20 mobiles, but you may confuse which one I want to choose. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? For example, if you go this, yeah, okay, okay, thank you. So this is the, whenever you go through the online also, you may confuse which one I want to choose. For example, you are a user. So now this way, when you see this visual, single visual, how much easy? Okay, when you select your budget, what is your budget? 20,000. So in the 20,000, only one mobile is there. Like this is the uh, Ximine like 11 LED. Otherwise, if you some increase like 10,000, 15,000, another mobile, Redmi Note 11. Behind these mobiles, you may not be buy because of that is the more than 39,000. Okay, you left that one. So below this 14,000, this is the very low level. You may not be buy. Only the you reason you want to buy these three mobiles only. Just you go through these three mobiles. Just you check what is the RAM, what is the size, and you will buy. How much easy? Okay, yeah, we will see in our Power BI how you will work on the Power BI. Okay, now as soon as open my Power BI, yeah, you see guys, now I'm opening my Power BI. So this is the Power BI. When you open, so how to download and how to install, I will share you one video. Okay, then based on that, then you will install and download. After that, if there any questions, then please ask me, because of we are wasting our time. You don't install here and download. Okay, already I download my file. So if you have any doubts, then I will clear you. Okay, this is the Power BI. Okay, now the question is the web as a source. Okay, now you here you see this is the Power BI interface. Okay, observe, this is the Power BI interface. Like this is the file option and insert option and mobile option. This is the ribbon. This is the called as a ribbon, home ribbon. Okay, in the home ribbon, insert ribbon, and modeling ribbon and view ribbon. Okay, all those then you will clearly understand little bit later. This is the, you see, this is the report. Okay, you observe, this is the report. This is the data view, this is the model view. Okay, when you work on the report, then you may open here, you do the analysis here. Okay, this is the like visuals. What are the visuals? I told you, clear clustered column chart, donut chart, everything here. Okay, this is UV, you have to do, this is the visualization here. This is the canvas. Okay, this is about the pages, like you Word or Excel. Whenever you are creating any resume, whenever you are creating any file, you may get the page 1, page 2, like that. This is the pages. Okay, now I am going to get data. You see, this is the get data option. Clear, this is the get data option. When you click on the get data, you may get these are the source you may connect, like the common Excel and the Power BI, and then data warehouse, and then SQL server, analysis service. All those then you may connect. Okay, so these are the many ways to connect Power BI. Okay, now I'm going to connect web as a source. You see here, web as a source, I'm going to click here, I will connect. Okay, yeah. And where is the web source? Is the, this is the my web source. Where is the web source? Amazon. Yeah, this is the Amazon. Okay, these are the mobiles. Okay, this how you this data. For example, if you give you, I will give you this data. When you word copy, please segregate this data. This is the Amazon mobile. This is the actual price. This is the like discount price. What is the discount? And you will show the which one is the highest. How much time you will take, guys? For example, I will give you this data to you. So when you prepare one Excel or any Word file, how much time you will take, minimum or maximum? It will take for 15 minutes or half an hour? Please say yes. If you take how much time? Just I'm asking generally. Please unmute and tell me. I will give you this like Amazon website to you. So you will prepare a like a Excel file, and then I you want to show this is the Redmi is the 30,000, this is the like 20,000, like this is a 10,000. How much time you will take? Mostly 30 minutes or 1 hour.
10 minutes.
Within 10 minutes you may complete. Okay. Yeah, okay. So when you this data, I will these three single click buttons, I will show you the report. Which one is the highest, which one is the lowest. Okay. First one is the, then I am going to the Power BI. Just I paste here. Okay. You see, just clicking OK. I did not touch even my keyboard. You see, there is no coding. This is the best example to you see. I did not touch my keyboard. Just I am handling with my mouse only. Okay. Clearly you observe. Just it is loading data. Power BI. You see, this is the table view. You see, whenever I open, this is like Amazon here showing what is the data, like is the mobile, everything correct. You see, when I open, this is the like Amazon, this is the my Google. So when you same data here showing, but I don't want this data. I want to like data, like this is the table view. Here you observe, this is the table view, and this is the web view. Okay. When you click on the web view, you may open this type of like visual like mobiles and everything. When you click on the table view, you see this is the data. You observe now. So this is the like column 1, and this is the column 2, like this is the column 3. It is a not clean data, correct. I want to clean the data here. When I don't select anyone, you may observe here, you here did not enable anything here, load or transform or cancel. Only here the enable is the cancel. When I, as soon as click the table 2, you observe this is the I click here. When you see that this is the load button or the transform button are enabled. Observe. Why? So I am choosing this table 2. Okay, that is the reason. If you want to load directly, it will load to the Power BI desktop. If you transform, it is a clean data here, column 1, column 2, it is not a header, correct. I want to rename some data, I want to clean data. So this is the get data, first option. This is the Power BI. From desktop you may get data. Okay, now you see I am going to transform data now. You see, this is the Power BI. Once I click on the transform, is the untitled Power Query. Okay, you see, untitled Power Query. This is the Power Query. This is the tool inside tool. This is the intelligence of Power BI. Inside Power BI, we have opened this tool. You see, when you click on this one, this is the Power BI. When you click on this one, this is the Power Query Editor. Here you may observe, this is the column 1, this is the column 2. What is the column 1, column 2? That is the meaningless, correct? Column 4, this is the meaningless. What is this? Useless. I want to, it will convert the useful data. Okay. So this is the mobile name. Okay. This is the like discount price. This is the 74,000 is the like actual price. We will show you. You see, this is the 14,000, for example, MRP. This is the 11,000 is the actual price, correct? Yeah, like that. This is this one. I want to only, I'm going to transform this one. Just click and choose the right click and remove the other columns. You see, I removed everything. Okay. Now what is this one? This is the mobile name. I'm changing the mobile name. So mobile name. Okay. So what is this? Actual price. Okay. Price of mobile. Price of mobile. What is this? This is the actual price. Actual price. So now here you see that this is the Samsung Galaxy and Samsung Galaxy M30. This something, it's very long. No, I don't want to this. Just I want to see Samsung Galaxy and a Redmi K15, something like that. In a single click button, you see when I select this column and go to the transform column and go to the extract and text before delimiter. Just I'm clicking the this bracket and then you click OK. As soon as clicking, you see Samsung Galaxy S20 and Samsung Galaxy M33, the everything has gone. That is the way of to cleaning. These are the all transformations. You may see this is the file button, this is the home ribbon, this is the transform ribbon, this is the add column, this is a view tool. And coming to the this unpivot, what is the unpivot, what is the split column, and everything, extract column, what is the convert list, what is the pivot, what is the unpivot, everything we are going to learn. Don't worry about it. Just I'm explaining the project. Here you want to see, this is the mobile table name, the Amazon, I mean Amazon, Amazon mobile, like Amazon mobile analysis. Okay, yeah, this is the name. You see, when I change here, you observe, when I click here, then you see you got it this here. This is the Amazon mobile. Okay, now I have cleaned the data. This is the like mobile name, and this is the price, and this is the actual price. I want to see how much discount. For example, you see 39,000 is a 74. How much price I want to discount the Amazon given. Okay, just quickly, just I select this one and then select this one and go to the add column and go to the like column. This is the subtract. You see, this is the discount. This is the discount amount. This is discount price. Okay, discount amount. Now I clean the data. Now I have no, this is the 39,000 price, actual price is this one, and the discount amount is this one. Now I close and apply. I'm going to the file option, close and apply. You see, just loading the data into Power BI, where we clean the data in Power Query editor. Once you have done the cleaning data, then you may push into the Power BI desktop. Okay, yeah, this is the Power BI desktop. Now you want to report, you want to prepare one report here. So you want to like, which one is the highest mobile. Okay, yeah, you see, this is the data. Okay, when you see this is a data view, then you, when you go this one, then you may see here what is the data, what is the actual price, and what is the mobile name, everything you may see. Okay, I'm going to create a one report here. Okay, I'm taking the funnel chart here. You see here, this is the funnel chart. I'm moving into the mobile name and with the price, actual price. You see, now I got it or not? This is a like 75k. Now I'm moving to the data label and then values, and then just I'm increasing the value, and then it is a like thousands, none. You see, this is the 74,000. This is when I mouse over here, you see, this is the Samsung Galaxy 20 and actual price is 74,000. Okay, if you, for example, if you want to move, what is the discount amount? You see, when I click on here, what is the actual price? 74,000. Discount amount 35,000 discount. Okay, yeah, now how much easy? For example, if you see, this is the, your budget is how much? 20,000. In the 20,000, only these three mobiles available. When you go mobile shop, and then you will select, yeah madam or sir, this is the 20,000 mobile in your range. These are the three mobiles, Redmi and Oppo and IQ. These are the three mobiles available. Which one you want to choose? So this is the 6 GB RAM, this is the 4 GB RAM. Okay, then immediately you will decide which one you want to choose. Correct? Got it? Clear? How much time taken? It's less than 5 minutes. Correct? Just I'm explaining orally. That is the reason it has taken. But without explaining, just I will do within 5 minutes. More than nah, so less than 5 minutes, I have to complete that one. So this is the one way. Okay. Now you see, this is the Power BI desktop. So you may go now. You see, this is the publish. I am publishing into this report, same report into my service. You want to be see, either you prepare the report, and then this is the Amazon mobile report. You see, uh, Amazon mobile report. Okay, yeah, I saved it, and then I'm publishing to my workspace. Now you see, these are the workspaces, what is the workspaces and everything, then we will discuss briefly. Okay, yeah, this is the July PBI workspace. Yeah, I'm publishing now. Then you will be going to see in a Google, in the Google, when you open your account, then this is the Power BI service, very most important, and then you able to see, this is the real time. So where you are working, like in any company or anything, then it may be Okay, so like that then you have to work. You see, this is the my Power BI service. This is a Google. Okay, this is the Google. So good morning, like this is the my username is Rani. So that is the reason. Then these are the reports we have. When you open this, go to this workspace and go to the PBI workspace. You see, when I refresh here, what is the name of the report? This is the Amazon report. Okay, correct. This is the Amazon report. Just now I have shared. You see the just now I have shared. These are time along with time. PBA developer workspace and 11:55. What is the now time? 11:56. So before 1 minute I have shared this one. Then I'm going to open this report. You may see the same result here. Okay, this is the 74,000. This is the 20,000. The same thing. For example, I will give you the this 60 days free Power BI service account for you, entire free. You will work with the Power BI service. Whatever you have developed the report, then you may like transfer, you may publish into Power BI service. I will review. If there any doubts, if there any queries, then I will let you. Okay, this is the way you have mistake here. Something you select this the mobile name, then you did mistake here. Something I will explain you. How much easy? You see the Power BI service. Okay, this is the way we are working with each collaboration. So this is the collaboration. Okay, yeah, this is one report. The second report I will show you quickly. So after that we will take a Q&A session. Okay, yeah, you may observe here we have a practice file and then append. Here you see which one is the each Excel file having the 700 rows. You see I'm selecting here. You may got here, this is the 700 rows count up. This is the 700 rows. Okay, this is the one file. This is the, for example, financial February file, and I'm giving the January file. This is the same 700 rows. You see when I select this one, this is the 700 rows. Got it? This is the 700 rows. Same. So like that, for example, if I will give you these three files, you may, if you want a 10 years of experience, 5 years experience, what you have to do? Just you copy one thing and you will open the second file, and then again you copy and you paste, and you again copy, you paste. So this is the way you are going. For example, I will give you 100 number of files. How much time you will take? These type of files I will give you. I want to the single file. How can you do it? How much time you will take? Just quickly, yes. How much time? Please unmute and tell me. Okay. Yeah. So it will take almost half an hour to more than. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I will load this data into Power BI. Now I'm going to like folder as a source. Go to the more option here. When you click on the get data and it is the more option here, you see the folder as a source. I will select the folder as source. I connected. Okay. You see this is the path. I will copy this path and then I will paste here. Single, three clicks only. This is the first click button, and next one is the combine and transform. You see the second button and third button. Just I will okay, click okay. Okay, you see here, this is the Power Query editor will open. This is the data. Okay, all the records. When you go to this transform data, when you go to the count, what is the count of this one? 2100. Correct. This is the folder. How much? Each folder having 700 into 3. How much? 700, 700, 700, 2100. Correct. You got it. This is the 2100. Okay, the single three click buttons, I append the data here. This is the second project. For example, here the mark file is copy and paste here. How many records is there here? Already we have 2100 records. Now I pasting one more table here. So you see I did not, as of now we are 2100. Then just I click remove this one. Here I am going to refresh option. Just click the refresh and then refresh prior and go to the transform data and go to the count. You see the how many rows? This is the 28. Okay, so how this is the way you are choosing the Power BI and you will work together. Okay, I think hope you understand high level how it will work the tool and what are the topics, then you may understand. Okay, yeah, and one more thing, it will take for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. So and again what we will take in this session, uh, we will everyday notes. So you see, this is the notes. I'm going to release the book. This is the Power BI entire. You see, these are the like topics which we cover. All the topics, go to this data, go to the merge, go to the add section, and everything, each and every point. So I will be going to release this book also in market, and I will give you this book also for cost. Entire the data, you see. For example, you want to see the what is the uh, tree map chart. Just to click here, then you go to the direct tree map chart. How we develop tree map chart? What is the tree map chart? Okay, what is the visual with the examples, with the sample data, with examples? I clearly mentioned what is the formats. Okay, everything I will provide you, and everyday notes. So it's like I'm giving you just it's a single notes with examples. I will provide the notes, and we will cover after this Power BI. Then it will take 2 3 sessions for the SQL fundamentals. Okay, for how to crack the interview with SQL, and one more thing, Azure functions, Azure data bricks, and Azure data fundamentals, and Azure ADF, Azure Data Factory. These are the fundamentals. At least you know the idea how to handle the Azure and how to connect the Azure database to the your Power BI. And when you connect the SQL server, then what are the transformations? For example, select star from table. Either select this join, left outer join and right outer join, whatever the joins. The basic fundamental I will explain you clearly how much you have. And once you put the resume, you add this SQL fundamentals I know, and then Azure stuff. Then you may, in 10 resumes, then you may select the your resume for any interview. That is, I will give you the assurance. We have lot of institutes there. From those resumes, then you make it a resume. Then I will explain you interview purpose, especially how to crack the interview. Because of, as I'm a part of lead, and as I'm a part of interview, I have conducted many of the interviews. Even the interview people doesn't know the how to prepare the resume, just copy pasting, and they put the some dummy resumes, so dummy projects. We are giving you so many projects, and I will explain you how to prepare the resume. Mainly thing is how to tell about. When you're going to tell about, I am going to conduct an interview, they may give for only 1 or 2 minutes. My name is so and so, I have done this one, I have done this one, this is my project work, that's it. I shocked. This is the tell about you are a 4 years of experience guy. Yeah, yes. How should I give the job? No, that is a not at all correct. So I will prepare you. I will give you before the entire the software from end to end Power BI, where to get the data, how to transform the data, what are the transformations you have to use, what are the modeling part, what is the Power View, what is the Power visualization, and how to load into the data, how to publish the data into Power BI service. And you have a admin role, and what are the roles we have, all those things. Then I will explain you to prepare you well for interview. Just what is you, your role is, you may prepare, you may practice. Okay, already I have most of the videos I uploaded for the motivational. Okay, I'm going not going to the motivational. Thank you very much. Hope you this is the high level understanding of Power BI demo. And if any friends, any like your colleagues or someone will come, please tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have a chance to give the link again, the demo class, and then the basic fundamentals. Okay, after that, then we start the classes. Okay, this is about our demo and Srikrishna soft skills. Thank you very much. And now we are going to create a sessions. Please one by one ask if you have any doubts. Now we are going to Q&A. I'm stop my